Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Calendly is free. In order to do so, here we are at calendly.com. And yes, in fact, Calendly does provide a free service. Let's go ahead and sign in here. I've already got an account ready to go. So we could just go ahead and continue with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we are all logged into Calendly and ready to go. And you can see for yourself that you can create 30-minute meetings, scheduling links that people can access, and these are free. Now, we do have an upgrade plan. And so you could see that we do have the standard plan for $10 a month. We have the team plan for $16 a month. And we have the enterprise plan, which starts at $15,000 per year. So that is definitely something for larger companies. But here you could see that we do have our free plan. We have our standard, our teams, and our enterprise. So you could see with the free what it is that you have access to, and it is limited, but we do have for the free version, we have meeting polls, we have one-on-one, we have email notifications for bookings and cancellations, view contact profiles and scheduling activity, custom branding on the booking page, connect Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and other web conferencing tools, data deletion for compliance, and email support. With the other tiers, you have more options that you have available to you, but they do have a free version on Calendly, and for many people, the features that it has available for the free version will be enough for your purposes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.